Hey docs, this is Dr. Kelly Henry with KP Henry Consulting, and this is the second video in a series, a three-part series of what I cannot stand about your office. In the first video we talked about not having your office atmosphere be clean. Today's video we're going to talk about how your office is not friendly, or not as friendly as it should be. When someone comes into your office, when I go into an office, a business, a restaurant, whatever the case may be, and you just get that vibe that you're an inconvenience when you walk in the door, that is not a good feeling. And that is something that you do not want to give off in your office to anybody, especially new patients walking in your door, that your office staff is not paying attention to them, or not conscious of somebody walking in the front door. They're not greeting them with a smile. They're not greeting them immediately. If they are greeting them, it's just kind of, oh, you know, here's some paperwork, you know, that type of thing. That is not the way your office should run. Your office staff should be over the top friendly. I like to call it aggressively friendly, and that's what I instruct my office staff to be like. To immediately greet, to have a smile on their face, to be welcoming, to, you know, give off the presence that you're there for them, and to serve that patient, to help them with their health needs. When I've traveled to a certain city, I used to stay at the same hotel, and I stayed at the same hotel probably 20 times over 3, 4, 5 years. Anyways, there was always one of the hotel employees, the front desk lady, that was just tremendously friendly. You know, I used to joke with my family and whoever was with me that is the most friendly woman on the face of the earth. But as soon as you walked in, she greeted you with a smile. She helped you out. She wanted to make sure everything was taken care of for you throughout your whole stay. When you were leaving to, you know, go to dinner, she would, you know, tell you goodbye, have a good evening. You know, she was just on top of it. And it really made a difference, and it made you feel great going to that hotel, because you were recognized and you felt welcomed and you felt important. That's what you should be doing in your office. You should make the patients feel important, that you're there for them, that you're there to serve them, and that when you give off that vibe, that also will help the patients heal better, because you're already changing their physiology, and they're getting their feel-good hormones going, because you have made them feel welcome and important, as you should. So hopefully this helps you out. Take a look at your office. Start thinking about how things work in your office. Listen to your office staff, and start working on being friendlier, aggressively friendly. Keep that in mind. That's how your office staff and you should be aggressively friendly. Again, this is Dr. Kelly Henry, KP Henry Consulting. Hey, if you're a doc that's struggling in practice, or maybe you're doing okay, but you just know that you can achieve more, and you want to take your practice to the next level, but you just don't know how. Hey, go to my website, kphenryconsulting.com. Set up a consultation with me. Let's talk about how I can help you take your practice to the next level. Again, Dr. Kelly Henry, I appreciate you watching this video today. Have a fantastic day, and keep being relentless.